The Venetian Macau is the largest hotel in the world. It is in the top 10 largest buildings in the world also. With 3,000 rooms and a giant shopping mall, it now lies empty. This is not the only mega casino resort that has been impacted due to recent events. What was once the hub of gambling in the world, earning over $37 billion in gaming revenue in 2018 alone, now has its casinos left barren. A place that survived on tourism now has next to none. There's been a big impact here in Macau, and it can be seen clearest here at the Cotai Strip. The first place I went to explore was the stunning Morpheus Hotel at the City of Dreams. An architectural wonder that cost over $1 billion to create, it is now completely quiet. Other than a temperature check and some hotel staff, the lobby and halls are empty. In 2018, Macau had over 35 million tourists, and many flooded the very halls I now walk alone in. It's hard to put into words the contrast I've witnessed here, but I think the best way I can describe it is eerie. It is not to say that there is nobody in this hotel. Many shops are open. Security guards, doormen, and other hotel staff still stand at their stations, but there are just no tourists around. Macau currently is in a bit of a limbo stage. There is almost zero tourists, yet at one point Macau was the country in the world that earned the most money from tourists, and that happened because of the giant integrated resorts that are found at the Cotai Strip. But now, due to reasons that you guys know, I'm sure, and a big lockdown and borders being shut down and everything, there's almost zero tourists in Macau, and so these giant casinos and integrated resorts meant to hold millions are now completely empty. It's a crazy sight to see, like something from apocalyptic movies. And today I'm gonna be going and exploring and seeing what they have to offer, just having a look around. All right, let's get going. Hey man, how you doing?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. What are you doing here, man?
I was shooting some video footage of the casinos and how empty they are here in Macau.
Dude, no way, me too. That's crazy, it's almost like we planned this. As you can tell by my bad acting, we did absolutely plan that. Nick has also been working here in Macau during this drastic change, and so I wanted to know what he thought on this whole situation.
It's absolutely insane. I remember walking through these same casinos and seeing hundreds of people are being here late at night when the nightclubs are open or whatever, and the amount of people that are shoulder to shoulder is just insane. And so life has just changed so much in the last few months.
This sort of emptiness really symbolizes the economic impact that this disaster has had on the whole world. Just here you can see it very clearly because it's such a contrast.
Absolutely.
It's weird, but hopefully it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Hopefully, right? Like,
yeah.
Just hopefully it doesn't happen again, but to kind of be able to experience it and see it is a crazy thing. It's unreal. It's like a movie. Next up on our list was Sands Cotai Central, a hub of multiple giant hotels that holds a combined 6,000 rooms. Our footsteps echoed in the grand hallways of its shopping mall. Next we walked over what usually was a rather busy bridge to perhaps the most popular hotel in Macau, the Venetian. Known locally as the hub for shopping, this usually is the most crowded resort on the Cotai Strip. Alright guys, so we're here at the infamous Venetian food court. This place is usually packed, and today I'm wondering if we'll even be able to find a seat. What do you think?
I think it's full.
Yeah, I think. Anyway, we're going to take a sit in this very desolate food court, but eat some delicious food. Alright, so I just got my food here. Delicious looking lunch, but me and Nick have decided to stay safe. We're going to practice some social distancing while eating this lunch. The crazy thing about all this is that these resorts have been like this for months. I hope you're safe and are able to use this strange time as a moment to reflect, learn, adapt, and grow. For those who can, I challenge you to use this time to create a positive outcome for yourself. Take a look at what you did before all this, realizing now how fragile it can be. Is there anything you want to change or focus more on? I know for myself this has taught me that life truly is finite, and you never know when it will end. That is why I'm trying to make the most out of the time I got, going on adventures, spending time with family and friends, doing the things I love today, because there might not be a tomorrow. I mean, all the best. I hope you guys are dealing with it well, however you're dealing with it, whether it's home in quarantine. Try your best to look on the positive of this time and try come out of this quarantine a bit better, learn a new skill, get jacked, do some push-ups or whatever. You know, it's obviously, it's not a great time for the world, but that doesn't mean we have to let it be that. We can try our best to be positive about this situation.
Make the best of a bad situation, right?
Absolutely. But thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.